Welcome back to Big Joe's Outdoors. Today, some of these are a week old, some are a week and a couple of days old, and some were picked up yesterday and today. So these emu eggs are going in a tray. I made my tray myself out of, and we're dealing with little hard rock babies in here. But I made the tray out of just some rabbit wire. I'm lining it with a cabinet liner. So if they do shift a little bit, they're going to be tight in here. But if they do shift a little bit, they're gonna not bump around. And we're running. That's how many hours I got on my incubator. That's the temperature it's running right now. Should be a second. There's the humidity it's at, and there's nothing, no water added to this. So that's what we're going to be running them at. I got to get all these into here. Well, I got 11, I believe. We're going to get them loaded up in here and see where we go from there. I'm going to pause the video. All right, I got them in the tray. It's 11 of them. All emu eggs. I do not really wash them if there's heavy mud on it. I just dampen it. Most of the time I'm picking up in the rain here in South Louisiana anyway, so they're pretty decently clean. You can see there's like a film of mud on some of them, but that's just from being kicked around in their nest. But yep, I'm gonna get these in the incubator. And this is an old incubator, so don't mind all the metal fatigue and stuff. So, yeah, I'm just pulling these out. They just pulled out. They're done. I'm gonna go ahead and load up these guys. So pause it and I'm gonna get it in there. All right, they're in there, and we're off. I'm gonna go program my little phone to let me an alarm when 40 days hits. That's when we stop turning. We'll move them to the bottom, and we'll go from there. And I'm probably gonna have to build more racks for each one of these. Let me get this out of here. We're done with this for now. Oh. Yeah, we were done with those. Those done hatched out. It's all barred rock eggs. Yep, we're good to go. We're gonna send this on its destination to Hatch City. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, stay tuned for a hatch video or maybe an update video in a few days. Thanks for watching.